Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to prevent camera access on the Google Chrome app with the latest steps for 2025. If you want to keep your privacy intact and stop Chrome from using your phone's camera, just follow along. Let's get started with the first step. Begin by opening your phone's settings. This is the main control center for all your device's apps and permissions. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the section called Apps, or sometimes it's labeled App Management, depending on your device. Tap on Apps to see a list of every application installed on your phone. Now, scroll through the list and look for Google Chrome. Once you find it, tap on Chrome to open its App Info page. Next, you'll see a menu with different options. Look for Permissions and tap on it. This section shows you all the features Chrome can access on your device, like your camera, microphone, location, and more. Now, find the camera option in the list. Tap on Camera, and you'll see choices for how Chrome can use your camera. To prevent Chrome from accessing your camera, choose Don't Allow or Deny. This will block Chrome from using your phone's camera, even if a website tries to request it. That's it. You've now successfully stopped Google Chrome from having camera access on your phone. If you ever change your mind and want to allow camera access again, just repeat these steps and select Allow instead. Taking control of your app permissions is a smart way to protect your privacy and make sure your camera is only used when you want it to be. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need a privacy boost too. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more simple tech tips to keep your digital life secure.